Good day, sir. I am Monte de Ramos Zigmund Brian M., 18 years old from Asin City, Southern Leyte. I'm from P71 Delta. So, regarding that question, sir, on the first question, illustrate how contemporary science use findings of the universe existence to substantiate that God exists. So, for me, contemporary science uh, discovered Big Bang theory. So before the Big Bang theory, there was there was still no time, space, matter, and energy, and something outside this universe has caused that to happen, and that cause is God. So He created the universe, and the next idea is the fine tuning of the universe. Everything in the universe is finely tuned, everything from the atoms and the energy, matter, and we can say the stars, the formation of stars, everything is perfect in the universe. So we can say that the universe has a really very intelligent creator. As you all know, God is very intelligent. That's why He created all beings. And we can conclude that God is the creator who finely tuned the universe. So, for the next question, on how would I answer the question of Mr. Dawkins on who created God? Simple. Who created God? None. A God is a God who is created is not God after all. So God is uncaused. God has no creator. He is uncreated. He created the universe. And the universe is a cause. That cause is God. But God is uncreated. So another idea. So creator, creator, creator. So this created this. For example, this is God. He created the universe. Who created God? For example, if God is a creator, uh, He created God. Then who created Him also? Then the one who created the creator of God, who is the creator, the creator of the creator of God. So it's it's going to take forever. It's an illogical question. So there's no answer for that. So it will just connect. So that's why it's illogical. So therefore, God has no cause. Yes, God is uncaused. God is uncreated because created God is not God after all, and God is not created. That's all, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a great day.